Inaantok na nga kami, actually.
Yung sa resort na ay, yeah, pero nagulat ako, may ghosting na kami siya. Inano sa akin. Siguro dahil din yun sa akin. Para makita mo ka. Pag dinigit, anong ginagawa mo nakaraan ko? Ginagawa mo nakaraan?
Ako din, that's why How's Beaniverse? Beaniverse is so good.
Rice in a box.
Crazy Beaniverse.
Budget, first time.
Who we heard the for the first time. When you left. Right? That's when we heard all people are actually.
What?
Wait lang!
Ano? Ay!
Oh, but...
Uy, yung init mo yun.
Masaya lahat. Lahat tayo magkasama.
Hi, Colleen.
Sunday bukas, diba?
Thanks for letting me know. Okay.
50 mojos.
Masarap, no? Gusto niyo yun? Gusto mo mojo?
Take out, Rain. Dine-in po.
Take a boy.
Since tayo,
Wow ka!
Alin ba?
Kesha, can you...
19? Akala ko 18.
Hi! Hello!
Hindi ako pa din 18.
Specs from where? That's the thing she wears when it's done. The thing she wears. I love you all. What's tumalab?
Bakit ma?
Make it work.
April tapos
Pag Monday.
JM.
bubusit talaga kami sa ano, diba?
Kain guys. I love Aya, yes. Guys, oh, I saw Beaniverse. Ay, Grand Beaniverse. Crazy talaga, guys. Beanie Grand. You're gonna see my post later, bro. I was the luckiest bloom talaga. Grabe talaga.
Bro, the luckiest bloom is the first, the kids.
Actually.
Ayaw mo mag-nail polish. I love you din. Take the nails.
Oh, wow. Balik na. Back to you, boys. Crazy Beaniverse.
Who we heard the for the first time. When you left. Right? That's when we heard all people are actually.
Sunday bukas, diba?
Thanks for letting me know.